How to create your first product on Zazzle. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own t-shirt, mugs, phone cases to sell without holding any inventory. In today's video I will show you step-by-step process how you can do that and about Zazzle. Now before we jump into, let me quickly explain what Zazzle is. Zazzle is an online marketplace where you can create custom design for products like t-shirt, stickers, business card, mugs and more. Now here's the best part. You don't need to worry about printing, shipping or handling payments. You should just upload your design, set your price and Zazzle does that rest. Every time someone buys your product, you earn money as designer. Now cool part, right? First what you have to do is just simply come over this website which is zazzle.com, and if you're a new user what you can do is just simply click on it and change your nationality to uh, change where you live. Click on the sign in button and continue with the Google. As you can see here, I will just simply sign up with my Google account. It will take few seconds to sign in. So we have successfully created our account, as you can see in the right side. There we go. Now if you once you are in, you will have your own dashboard to start designing products. First thing first, now before you upload any products you need to create your storefront. Now what you have to do, hover over your profile icon on the top right corner and then click on the create new store. So we have created a store. As you can see here, we have successfully created a store. Just simply click on your text serve on your name. It will something look like this. Now from here you have to click on the sale. Now as you can see here, start selling on Zazzle and turn your position passion into profit. Now monetize your creativity, turn your design and artwork into earn with the ease. Now endless products option you will get. Now if you want some helpful resources, for example if you want to create product from here, you can do that. Now you can create news from Zazzle HQ, new products as well. You will get to see, if you scroll down a little bit you will get great gift ideas, t-shirts and lots of more things. For this tutorial I will choose just click on the create product. You will see huge library from clothing to stationery to home to decor. Now what I will do, I will just simply click on the wedding. If you want to explore more you can explore it. Now what I will do, I will just simply click on the wedding, and now Docker design games, supply tableware or wedding image here. You can take it. So for example if you want to create a candle of your image here, just simply click on that, and as you can see here you have to choose the candles. For example it is for $47 and it is for $4. This looks good. I think they are to be honest they are expensive if you compare with the other one. Now what I will do is just simply click on the $4 one. Now what you can do is just simply scroll down a little bit, and okay, I have to go back and click on the create product, and then you got over here. Now we will choose this one. As you can see here, we got this one, $30 one. Now over here you can see the product details. This is for $30. Save 20% with coupon April saving. Click on your add your design. So it will take you to the designing editor. Over here you can add images, you can add text, you can add you can resize, move, rotate, anything you want to do you can do over here. Now for this what I will do, I will just simply upload an image. For example this one. This is just for tutorial, and you don't need to upload a random pictures over here. Now if you see the how image looks on the candle, this is how it looks. Now if you want to add a text in it, what you can do is just simply click on the text, click on the text, add text, and click on the OK. So as you can see here, we have successfully added our text as well. Now if you want to change the color of the text or font or the size of the text, you can do that as well. Now what I will do, I'll just simply give 40. Now as you can see here, it the the text has been resized. Now if you want to change the color from purple to pink or to purple, you can choose that. So make sure you are adding a good design. This is just for tutorial. I am adding some random stuff. You can add your design over here. Go to Canva and you can create a better design in the Canva. So don't copy my design, it will look more bad. Now just simply resize it and move it to in the center. Now if you want to change color, as I said, now if you want to add elements, you can add that too. And they have shapes, lines. If you want to add lines, you can add it. Now if you want to add icons like animal over here, just add it. So these are some not that good icons, just simply delete it. So yeah, if you want to add this background, you can add it. You can add background a lot. You get lots of customization options, so you don't need to worry about. Now about the product is this candle is perfect fit for a seasons with 36 hour burn time. The single wick candle will give you and your loved ones. Now so it's like they have given the all details about this product. If you go into layers, you can find this. Now basically what I wanted to say, that every product has a different layout. So I have chosen this uh, candle, that's why I'm able to see this kind of layout. But if you choose a different word, for example, if you choose a t-shirt, let's let's select the t-shirts, uh, this one, the layout will be different. So you have to make sure that you create good design with it. With using Canva, you can use it, as you can see here. If I want to add this, okay, just simply add this image. As you can see here, we have successfully added the image. So the every image, every t-shirt, every product has a different layout, so you have to create design accordingly to that. Now let's preview our product. Just simply click on the done and it will give you our preview of the product. Just simply as you can see here, the background color is good and the image is also good, and yeah, that's it. Now it's time to post product for sale. Now what you have to do is just simply click on the sale over here. Now review our design. So edit empty areas, okay, black font, full. Click on publish it. So I will just randomly publish. Now I have to check my email. Just simply click on the Gmail, or you can simply go back, click on the edit. Now if you want to edit areas, you can edit. After verifying your email, something look like will appear in front of you. Now if you want to try to describe your item the way shopper would, just simply click if you want to edit this title, you can edit, but uh, I will not change this title. Now let's marketplace department. Select the best department for your design. Home, living space. If you want to describe your product, you can describe as well. Now I will just give a simple description of this product. This is just random stuff. Now if you want to change a product merchandising, if you want to change options, you can change as well. For example, if you want to put it metal lid, if you want to put metal lid, and uh, you can customize some of those things. Now let's create categories. Like if you want events and occasion, you can select an event or occasion that your products is meant for. You can select from here for like it is for holiday, Canada Day, Chinese Day, or anything. You can just who people celebrate and click on the continue. Okay. Now here you have to select a suitable recipient for your product. You can click on it and click on the her and okay. Now if you have you can select the collection that you would like to add this product to. Now if you have already made a collection like the collection of candle, you can add this candle into it. So basically collection is a sum of products where you just create it for a specific time. So that's it, the collection is that. Now if you want to add tags, you can add it. Now this is I think required candle light. Now yeah, now you can add additional information as well, suitable for audience C, PG-13 or whatever you can. Since your account maturity level is moderate, you may not be able to view this product after the change. Now you can do that. Product visibility public, everyone can see it. Hidden, only you can see it, so you can customize it. Now there we go. If you go into royalty information, you can learn more about what is royalties. Now what you can do is give 5% royalties or 15% or 1%. So it should be more than 5%. Retail price is 13.95 and estimated earning you will get $2. Now since this is product, you have 24 hours to finalize your royalty percentage. Changes after that go into effect in 25th of every month. Now you have to enter a store name, make a store. Now okay, just let's remove, and I have the right to publish and sell this product. Just click on it, click on the postage. Now we cannot move forward it till you fix the error below. So let me see where is the error. I don't able to see any. Okay, now this is for home customer. So this is for home, just simply go and post it. So please note that it can take up 24 hours for your product to appear in search result. Okay, it's totally fine. Now click on OK and congratulations, we have successfully posted our first product. Now if you go into Zazzle and refresh it with, go back into your profile, click on the accounts, click on your member since. Now as you can see here, click on my products. We have successfully created a product. As you can see here, if you see in the collection, there are lots of things. So we have successfully created a product and listed your very first product on Zazzle. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel. And as you can see here, we have added a store as well. Now if you want to search store, you can search as well. Now just simply click on the notification, complete your profile, it says. Now just simply, let's see, if you want to see your product, just copy this link and paste it over here. Let's see how it looks like. Now there we go, we have our product. This is for 31%, $31. Now here we go, we have successfully listed our product in Zazzle for the first time. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.